It was one battery cage like this before. Now I have 1, 2, 3.
Wow, a very big congratulations to Chizzy Alichi, and guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. So guys, let's talk about farming. Let's talk about poultry farming. Farming is something that thousands of people has done in different countries, and everybody who goes into it has made money to sustain himself with his or her family. And a lot of celebrities in Nigeria have gone into farming. Some of them have successfully made a lot of cash in just few months of being in the business. And one actress that so many people admire so much, admire her strength, her boldness, her courage, her zeal, her hustling, is Chizzy Alichi. Knowing where she's coming from, she came from a poor, so to say, background, but now she's a billionaire. She's making so much money in poultry farming. According to her, she has been in the business for a while. She started with only 1 cage but has grown into 3 cages. And now she's rearing different kinds of animals. We can see the pig section where the pigs are. And guys, she's making millions of naira from these animals. Her side hustling is paying her real big. And if you can remember, some years ago, she built a house for her mother. I love Chizzy Alichi. She's focused. She's not distracted by all the social media show-offs. She's quietly doing her thing with her husband, and I pray that God will bless them, because they've married for like 3 years, yes, and they're expecting, and I pray that God will bless them and give them their heart desires. So guys, what do you think about farming, poultry farming, any kind of farming? Put your thought down in the comment section, okay? And thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload any video. And please give this video thumbs up, okay, and share as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Alright guys, so I visited the farm today. Let's see how the birds are doing. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're doing so good. As you can see, okay, it was 1 battery cage before, just one like this. It was 1 battery cage like this before. Now I have 1, 2, 3.